Hi friends, welcome to EasyWay. Today in this video we are going to look all details in Okinawa electric scooter key. When we double tap on this button, this electric scooter will turn on and we can able to travel without a key. This button is used to lock this electric scooter. This beep sound will hear when the lock is done. And this button is used to unlock. Before we going to press unlock button, we can check it some other features. If any robber attempts are made with this key or without key, this electric scooter will make a noise.
Unlock button.
We want to unlock this electric scooter through this key before we going to start. This is the way of working anti-theft alarm. When we press this button, we can able to hear this like beep sound from our bike. This will also helpful us to find our scooter in a parking yard. If you are searching for Okinawa price electric scooter key details, this video will help you. These are the main features of that electric scooter price model key. And if you are a new visitor through this video, please press subscribe button. Thanks for your watching.